has gone so far. Let us take a few moments to just focus on our breath. You have already pressed play. This time for yourself is carved out. There is nothing else for you to do here other than to slow down and breathe. Even if your mind is swirling with thoughts right now, just notice this and do what you can to focus on your breath. Allow your eyes to close or your gaze to soften, and take care to be gentle with yourself, as this practice is not an easy one. Your mind naturally wants to think, prepare, and evaluate. And usually, this is where our attention lies. Yet, in this practice, we are acknowledging this busyness as if it were background noise, allowing it to be present as we choose to focus on this moment through our breath. Your mind will likely grab for your attention throughout this practice. And just please know that this is perfectly normal. Whenever you catch this happening, smile inwardly, take a deep breath, and refocus your attention on this moment. Listen to the sounds of your environment, whether this be your breath alone, or perhaps there are other noises occurring close by or in the distance. Listen closely and notice what you hear. This moment has everything you need to find stillness. You have everything you need to find stillness in this moment and beyond, in this practice and beyond. The breath in your lungs is not just a gift of life, but a gift of presence. Focus on your breath alone for a few moments, listening to the soft inhale, allowing yourself a gentle sigh on the exhale. What does it feel like to be breathing right now? Place your hands on your chest or your abdomen, becoming in tune with the movement of the breath itself. Noticing how your body moves as your lungs fill with air. And taking a moment to acknowledge just how amazing it is for your body to just know what to do and how to take care of you. Feel how the air has a slight chill as you inhale through your nose, and how the air feels a bit warmer as you exhale. Perhaps you've noticed your breath pattern to have changed since the beginning of this practice, becoming slower, deeper, steadier. This is the beauty of pausing during our day, of caring for ourselves and our emotions instead of pushing through or avoiding them. You are doing an amazing job. You will survive the rest of your day. No matter what happens, you are enough. You are worthy. Know that you can always come back to your breath anytime during your day. Allow it to gift you presence, steadiness, peace. Let's close out today's practice by taking 3 deep, cleansing breaths on your own timing and breath pattern here. Filling the lungs and belly completely on the inhales. And slowly emptying them as much as you can on the exhales. Yawning and sighing are welcome here too. Feel free to stay here as long as you wish, or begin creating energy by making gentle movements, opening your eyes, and becoming reoriented with your environment. Thank you so much for practicing with me. Take good care.